So guys, this is my fish milk. Yeah, thank you good for the food. So let's sit guys. Yun, nagpapano. I wish this video not copyright because the background music of my neighbors is too much noisy. I know that music is too much CPR. I do not use that music in my videos because they have a copyright. Not put YouTube's not put ads. You know? The people, the creators need ads for the salary and revenue in the YouTube. You know what I mean? Delicious. They have good for the vegetable and then fish. That's a good team for the fish and milk. This was. They have a Thomas Lauda. The music. Yummy. I really love milk fish. Then grill in the pan. The bones. That's good. Very perfect. The texture of the milk fish. After my mukbang, they have a silent, no music. Sometimes I'm very tired to understand the people. The control herself, you know. I will always have the music. Thinking about the neighbors. Sometimes they have a night work. Day is sleepy. Not thinking that the people. You think in herself only. Let's make a self, smada.